Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 Hyundai Accent Sport. This one has the 1.4 liter in 1.6 liter inline 4. Not a bad car at all. Really an excellent first car for somebody. This one only has 26,000 miles on it, so it's barely broken in. Nice basic interior, while still being really nice. Has satellite radio, a horn. It's got a horn. Not bad at all in here. Driver's side window is automatic. Let's go ahead and take it for a drive. So, the 1.6, it's not bad. You're not going to win any races by any means, but I do believe a manual was available. So I would have gone with the manual anyway, just to get the most out of it. But it's not ungodly slow, too. It's really ample for what this car is and the customers this car attracts. You do have a manual mode, as well as active eco. So you have a nice eco mode in there as well. Handling's not bad. It's a nice, light, nimble chassis. Yep. Overall, though, it's a really nice car. I mean, it's the entry-level Hyundai, so you're sitting there like, oh, it's not going to be that good. It's actually not bad especially for the price point too. If you just need reliable transportation, then this is absolutely perfect. Go ahead and show you the turning radius. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you all in the next one.